Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today our topic of video is artificial intelligence. Introduction to artificial intelligence. Definition: AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. AI enables machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It involves the development of intelligent agents that can understand, learn, make decisions. AI encompasses various subfields such as machine learning, natural learning, processing, and expert systems. NLP, natural language processing, deals with interaction between computers and human language. It involves tasks such as speech recognition, sentiment analysis, and language translation. NLP uses techniques like text mining, machine translation, and sentiment analysis. Application of NLP include virtual assistants, chatbots, and language-driven search engines. Expert systems are AI systems that possesses expert level knowledge in specific domains. They use knowledge bases and reasoning algorithms to provide intelligent solutions. Expert systems are used in areas like medicine, finance, and engineering. They can help diagnose diseases, make investment decisions, and optimize complex processes. Ethical considerations in AI. AI raises ethical concerns regarding privacy, security, bias, and job displacement. Ensuring ethical AI development is crucial for its responsible use. Transparency, fairness, and accountability should be prioritized in AI systems. Collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and ethicists is necessary to address these concerns. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe to our channel.